What it do, E-World? Crisscrossing wires, and we're out here today on the big boy B52 Stealth Bomber. Now, reason why I'm saying that is, as you know, the Beast is a clone, a DIY stealth that I built myself, and I always got reprimanded. Yeah, I use that word in the stealth bomber groups when I mentioned or stated or called my bike a stealth. But this is a real stealth bomber, and you know, we had to see what all the hoopla was about. Now, although this bike is really not my cup of tea, I will say I do like this bike, no doubt about it. I see why it costs what it costs. It's built really well. That is a crystal light motor. That is a 250 millimeter rotor. It also has dual brakes, you know, 4-piston, front and rear. As you can see, look at those brake lines, those heavy duty brake lines. The braided, don't ever get old, get the term for those, but anyway, those hydraulic brakes are awesome. As you can see, it's got the hydraulic brake reservoirs right there. You can check the level and anything on it. What else I like about this bike? The gearing. Not as far as motor wise, but as far as pedaling. This bike has its own gearing system set up, so when you shift up and down right there, from low to high, it'll make it so it pedals easier in low. When you're you're pedaling really rapidly, but you're not going fast. But let's say you're going 60 miles an hour, you can put it in top gear and you actually be pedaling, as opposed to just, you know, spinning your feet around like crazy. Let's see what else about this bike. It's a really big bike. If you're a tall person, this is the bike you want. Now, just me sitting on it with the seat all the way down as low as possible, I'm almost flat-footed. Almost. But for a big guy, I'd say it'd be perfect. And excuse my breathing, y'all know I'm an old man, and yeah, about to fall out here. But yes, this is the B52 Stealth Bomber, big boy edition. If you don't know, this bike costs about $10,000. It has a 2.5 kilowatt battery on it. I believe it's, I'll put the specs in the description, all of the specs. Here's the display. As you can see, it has a trip meter, battery percentage, what gear you're in, everything. This bike has an alarm, keyed entry, key remote with alarm system. Check out the that's where you plug up the charge port right there. Also has heavy duty motorcycle suspension. As you can see, the only thing I really don't like about this bike is that it is an actual bicycle, meaning it has bike tires. Those are 27-inch tires. They're huge. They're huge. So we were wondering if you could put smaller wheels on this bike without the pedals hitting the ground. But yeah, anyway, this is the Stealth Bomber B52, and we're going to take a little test ride. This thing's got some awesome brakes on it. I mean, it's a quality machine. Make no mistake about it. If you got the money, you won't feel slighted in the least. Got another surprise for you guys coming up. Going to be reviewing another PEV. Well, nah, let's just call it an EV. Matter of fact, something like that down there. Yeah, I told you, we're gonna go all out. Anything, everything electric, we're gonna be reviewing on this channel. If it's got a battery in it, I want it. Uh-oh. Sorry. Check out the lighting on the Dakama. It's sweet. Don't forget, we also have the Cyber X also with the insane lighting system. I still have that. Nobody's stepped up to the plate on that, but yeah, I'm selling my Onyx. I mean, damn, what am I talking about? my Cyber X as well. $3,500. First come, first serve. Let's make a deal, y'all. We got too many PEVs and we need to unload some. And in fact, we trying to get some more PEVs. So we want to keep flipping till we flip out. Doses. And we're on the Tesla lot, by the way. Check them out. We're gonna grab one of these later on and do a test ride on these.
About those wheels, you can roll over in.
Yeah. You guys are tired of the same old scenery, so putting some new scenery up, riding in a different area today. Like we're over here in Smoky Ciron's minefield.